open Barbie makeup box.
Yeah, so for this makeup box, we can ask the kids to design what style you want to do for your makeup. Then you can ask your mommy to apply the makeup according the kids' design. Okay, let's open it.
These are the stickers.
Okay, so here we have the stickers and the scratch paper. So you have the Barbie face, and then you can use the you can use a sticker to apply. So it has all the small decoration for the hair clip to the hair flower, and then can I open? Okay, then we have a little pen, and you can ask the kids to draw, so to design their own style of the Barbie makeup. And finally, you can ask your mommy to help you to do the real makeup according to your design. So here we have the makeup set, which has the eyeshadow for 6 different color, and 2 blush for the cheek. There's a 2 color and 3 different color for the lipstick. Okay, let's start to design it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's start the makeup. So let's see. You want the blue eyeshadow? Blue eyeshadow. Okay, so here we have a blue one. First, let's look at the texture. So we see this is how the blue eyeshadow looks like when you put on your skin. So let's try. Close your eyes. Oh, nice blue color. Try the other side. Can you open the eye? Okay, so now we have the blue eyeshadow. Okay, and then you want the
Pink cheek.
Pink cheek. Okay, let's do this pink. Let me put on my hand so you can compare. This is a blue eyeshadow. This is a pink blush. Okay, let's try the pink blush. Oh, it's very pink. The other, can you turn over? Okay. And finally, we have the lipstick. Which color do you want? The red one? Which red? This red?
This red.
Okay, this red. Let's try. Okay, let's apply a little bit. And you can see the texture. Okay. Can you close your eye? Close your lip. Oh, it's very light. Okay. Okay. You want to see how you look like? Okay, here. Do you like it? Let's show. Ah, do we look like a Barbie?
I really enjoyed this Barbie makeup set. I hope you like it as well. If you like us, please subscribe us. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.